Hey everyone, this is Dr. Tim, and these are hip flexor marches for some hip flexor strengthening. So what you need is a mini band. We're going to wrap it around both our feet, around the midfoot. You can find a wall or something sturdy nearby so you can balance. All we're going to do is put our weight on one foot and pull our opposite knee to our chest. Lower and switch. We can also hold it for a long period of time, so we can work on some isometric strengthening. And we can also work this from the ground, so lying on your back, same setup with the band around your feet, and you're just going to pull one leg at a time towards your chest.